Good morning, students. Now I am going to start today the new lesson, which is number 4. It is called chemical kinetics. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, তোমালোকক আজি মই এটা নতুন অধ্যায় অৰ্থাৎ কেমিকেল কাইনেটিক্স বা ৰাসায়নিক গতিবিজ্ঞান। ৰাসায়নিক গতিবিজ্ঞান বুলি ক'লে কি বুজা যায়? হোৱাট উই মিন, আমি কি বুজি পাওঁ? আমি এইটোৱে বুজি পাওঁ যে বিক্ৰিয়া এটা সংঘটিত হ'লে তাৰ গতিটো কিমান সোনকালে হ'ব, লাহে লাহে হ'ব নে ইমিডিয়েটলি হয়। গতিকে ইয়াক ইংৰাজীত কোৱা হয় এইটো ৰেট অফ ৰিয়েকশ্যন। হাউ ইট ইজ, ৱেদাৰ ইট ইজ স্পণ্টেনিয়াছ, ইনষ্টেণ্টেনিয়াছ অৰ শ্ল' অৰ মডাৰেট। অৰ্থাৎ বিক্ৰিয়াটো কেনেকুৱা হ'ব পাৰে? ই তাৎক্ষণিক বিক্ৰিয়া, যিটো কোৱা হয় ইনষ্টেণ্টেনিয়াছ ৰিয়েকশ্যন, মধ্যৱৰ্তী বিক্ৰিয়া বা যিবিলাক বিক্ৰিয়া বেছি বেগতো নহয়, চলি যায়। আৰু কিছুমান আছে শ্ল' বিক্ৰিয়া। এতিয়া ধৰা তোমালোকে যেতিয়া প্ৰেক্টিকেল কৰিবা, প্ৰেক্টিকেল ক্লাছত দেখিবা আমি যেতিয়া বেৰিয়াম ক্লৰাইড সলিউশ্যন কোনোবা এটা চল্টত, ছালফেট চল্টৰ কাৰণে যেতিয়া অকণমান দিওঁ, দিয়াৰ লগে লগে কি হয়, সেইটো আমি কি পাওঁ? দেখিম যে তাত পদক্ষেপ পৰে। পদক্ষেপটো পৰা মানে তাৎক্ষণিক বিক্ৰিয়া, ইট ইজ ইমিডিয়েটলি। আৰু কিছুমান বিক্ৰিয়া আছে, তাৰ উদাহৰণস্বৰূপে আৰু এটা আছে, এনাদাৰ ওৱান, ইট ইজ চিলভাৰ নাইট্ৰেট ৱেন ট্ৰিটেড ফৰ ক্লৰাইড চল্টৰ এনালাইচিছৰ কাৰণে আমি যেতিয়া চিলভাৰ নাইট্ৰেট দিয়াৰ লগে লগে কি হয়, বগা পদক্ষেপ পৰে। বা ৱেন চিলভাৰ নাইট্ৰেট ইজ poured in a salt solution of chloride solution, then immediately precipitate comes. So it is the instantaneous reaction. Another one, some reactions are very slow and some are moderate. If we put a piece of iron in outside, when it will come in contact to vapor, moisture or water, it forms, we know that it forms rusting of iron. Rusting of iron, it is a slow reaction. It is an example of slow reaction. Similarly, all of us now we have a idea that diamond is always stay in the same position, but it is not true. Diamond to কেতিয়াও হীৰা একে নাথাকে, সি সদায় গ্ৰাফাইটৰ পৰিৱৰ্তন হয়, but it is too slow, it takes several years. So this type of, we shall discuss about this type of reactions. This is called what? This is called rate of reaction. But these are the reactions, this type of reaction. The study of this type of reaction, how it is proceeds, whether it is speeds or slow or this one, it is called chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics. Now, kinetics word comes from Greek word kinesis. Greek word kinesis, which means movement. So this is we have to study this one, what? Rate. We have to study about what? Rate. Rate means movement. What are the rate? This one. So we first go to the what? The rate of reaction. Now, first one we shall discuss about what? Rate of reaction. Now, what is rate of reaction? The study of rate of reaction, moment of rate of reaction, rate of reaction is called kinetics, but chemical kinetics. Rate of reaction is called kinetics. Now, rate of reaction. What is rate of reaction? Rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is nothing but it is the, when a reaction occurs, we know that we have to take the concentration of the reactant and concentration of the product. When a reaction occurs, the concentration of a reaction changes when it goes to product, and the change of concentration of a reactant in unit time is called rate of reaction. Now, what is rate of reaction? That অর্থাৎ আমি অসমীয়াত ক'বলৈ গ'লে যে যেতিয়া বিক্ৰিয়া এটাৰ যেতিয়া আৰম্ভ হ'ব, বিক্ৰিয়া আৰম্ভ হোৱাৰ পিছত বিক্ৰিয়কৰ যিটো গাঢ়তাৰ মানৰ সময়ৰ লগত হোৱা পৰিৱৰ্তনকে বিক্ৰিয়াৰ পৰিৱৰ্তনৰ হাৰ বুলি কোৱা হয়, বা ৰেট অফ ৰিয়েকশ্যন, বিক্ৰিয়াৰ গতিবেগৰ হাৰ, ৰেট অফ ৰিয়েকশ্যন গতিবেগৰ হাৰ বুলি কোৱা হয়। এতিয়া the change of concentration of reactant to the product per unit time is called rate of reaction. Per unit time is called rate of reaction. Now we shall explain this, how the rate is calculated, by how concentration of reactant per unit time changes to product. So we shall now discuss about that. To discuss about now, consider a reaction R2P. Here R is the reactant and P is the, here R is the what? Reactant and P is the product. If R1 and P1 are the concentration of reactant and product, are the concentration of reactant R and product P, then respectively at time T1 and T2, at time T1 and T2 changes to R2 and P2, then delta. Now what does it mean, delta symbol? We know that the symbol, it is differential symbol delta. We can also write ddt, but then in there it is written like this. Delta is the symbol of change, that means change of time at the when the reaction takes place, that is del T equal to T2 minus T1 and del R equal to R2 minus R1 minus R2, it will be R2 minus R1, sorry, R2 minus R1 and del P equal to P2 minus P1. So These are the changes. This implies change of reactants from R1 to R2 and change of product, change of product P2 to P1. So therefore the rate will be here. This implies molar concentration. Molar concentration. This implies molar concentration. Here the delta implies molar concentration. So now we shall calculate the rate. How rate is calculated? Therefore, rate of reaction therefore rate of reaction equal to minus del R by del T. Now, here question comes, why the symbol minus is kept here? Because we know that R is the reactant and the symbol implies concentration. So, minus symbol implies the concentration of reactant changes. That means change means decreases. So, minus sign is at the same time concentration of product increases. So, since the concentration of reactant decreases, so here is the minus sign, and concentration of product increases, so it is plus sign. So this is the what? This is the rate of reaction. For example, PCl5, that means phosphorus pentachloride. It is PCl3 plus Cl2. Now how we shall calculate the rate of this reaction? Rate of reaction is equal to concentration of del T, rate of reaction equal to minus delta of concentration of PCl5 by del T equal to concentration of PCl3 by del T, concentration of Cl2, del T. So this is the, if we generalize this reaction for a general reaction A plus B, for a reaction A plus B, C plus D, then the rate of reaction will be rate equal to minus del A by del T equal to minus del B by del T equal to plus del C by del T plus del B by del T. So this is the rate for a general reaction. For a general reaction. Now we shall solve one problem regarding this. Now before going to this, we have to discuss about what is the unit. Before going to the next part, we shall go what is the unit of reaction. Unit of rate of reaction. Since we have seen that here concentration, we know that concentration is unit is mole, and this is unit is time. So what will be the unit? Mole per liter concentration unit is and mole per liter, and this is time. So the unit of rate of reaction is equal to is mole per liter per second.